So this is the other gun that I got from my haul at the dealer. This is a Rainbird L2P. It uses the same inserts as a Rainbird 103 nozzle, or Rainbird 103 or 102. This is a slow reverse. The way this reverses, though, is weird. You notice this arm here. This arm doesn't really move. Well, it does move because it needs bearings, but if you notice, this is a nozzle assembly here. And that's the drive nozzle right there. It hits this. Now, the arm doesn't move, but I'll show you something here. When it trips, see the nozzle moves, and it hits the other side of the drive spoon, so then it goes the other way. It's got a drive nozzle, and then this is the range right here. It's a 2-inch gun. This is a Rainbird L2P. I had seen this at the dealer, and then I was going to get it, but then I noticed that the bearings were bad. So, in the arm, so I was thinking I could probably take this to the machine shop, and you could probably replace the bearing. A 2-inch connection on it. It did look like this had been worked on, like part of it had been rebuilt, because it looks, I mean, the whole gun is pretty good shape. But yeah, I've never seen one that actually moves the nozzle assembly. So, and then it'll end up hitting the other side of the drive spoon to reverse it. These are the trip collars right here. So they're just like a comet. You can just move it with your hand. You don't need a wrench. But he had a couple of these down there and some extra drive arms and stuff. The other one was in worse shape than this. It had bad bearings and was missing the bottom base. So I just got this one. Hopefully, I need some money. I'll take it down to the Amish guy and have him rebuild it. So it is. This is an older gun. I don't believe Rainbird makes this anymore. Just like their old fast reverse. And I'd probably say that nozzle, maybe a 1/2 inch. I don't know. It's just this. The only function of that is just to drive this arm to drive forward or backward, and then this gets out really far because it's the range. And you got a hook up there for a pressure gauge. So it kind of has it's a dual over under, so it's kind of like a spreader / drive. So I'll check it out this year or next year sometime when it gets warm again. Hopefully after I get the drive arm bearings replaced. So I don't know how I could probably try running it at one point just to test it, but I have a feeling it's not going to run right with these loose arm bearings. So see how loose they are. So I don't know. We'll let you know. And I've been wanting to get this for a while after I figured out that I have that Amish guy at the machine shop, the resource. He could probably find the replace the bearing in here for me and it'd be ready to go. So thanks for watching.